Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. So we are actually doing some spring cleaning, deep cleaning, as you all gonna see. We're doing a Andre room. Honey, it is a disaster. I'm pretty much over this. Something have to change. Honestly, something is gonna change, and it's actually gonna be his room. But as of for right now, this is what we're about to tackle because, honey, I can't take this no more. Coming home looking at this here. I'm just trying to hold on to my rockers, y'all. But we just gonna go ahead and start getting rid of some things in here. I'm gonna do some cleaning, as in mopping, wiping stuff down, get rid of the dust bunnies and things like that, rearrangement, as well as some organization and declutter. That's the biggest thing is on my list to do because this room here is just I'm over it. So if you guys want to deep clean with me, why don't you Queens and Kings please continue to watch. Listen, Queens and Kings, this here was just a sign of release. Just to see the floor, because, honey, my anxiety was on overload. I didn't think I was going to make it. Now, if you're new here, this is not an everyday thing when it comes down to my home. Even though we're in a 2-bedroom, I made this out of a 3rd bedroom. Usually the room is not like this, but I have not been on Andre, and I have not been doing anything to it because I've been going through my ish behind camera. All right, y'all, we're going through his toys and everything. So I have him physically starting off to go through a lot of his toys and stuff so he can tell me what he want, what he don't want. Paper, books, everything. It has to go because this thing here is basically accumulating stuff that I do not want. And, we're in a 2-bedroom, so I'm trying to declutter as much as possible because that actually going to his father's house to go in his room at his dad's house, this storage thing here, I'm over it. I am over it, honey. I am over it. His daddy can use it for whatever he want to use it. If it's going to be in his room or what, I don't know. But you see a lot of this stuff here. Then I got stuff up under the bed that I could definitely got to go through and get rid of because I can't more. It's like driving me insane.
Now, can I take the stuff that is staying?
I need you to just go through stuff that you actually want, and then I'm going to go through that stuff again. Because, like I said, a lot of this stuff is not staying.
Now, can I take the stuff that I want?
Yes, that's what I want you to do right now.
I want my...
Go through the toys. You got more toys than the damn toy factory. It's ridiculous. And most of this stuff, he does not play with it.
More toys than Toy Factory.
Okay, so I'm pretty much going to line these up like this. Those actually going to go in my bedroom, so I'm gonna go get the other one out because right now I'm not even ready to start on my bedroom. I thought I was gonna pretty much move from the bathroom to this, but so right now it's just gonna be all over the house. That's gonna be decluttered for spring and cleaning. Okay, so yeah.
God.
And child, he picking up the smallest things possible. No, I need you to pick up some of this big stuff. This big stuff that you don't play with, go to the garbage. Because I ain't got time to be putting stuff together to make it a toy. I'm sick of it, y'all. I'm sick of it. I can't do it no more, y'all. So at this point here, this video was pre-recorded probably about 2 weeks ago. Within that time frame, Andre pretty much announced that he don't want to be in the sunroom anymore. He actually want to have his own room, as in with a door. So there's gonna be some other changes that's gonna go on. I'm just gonna bite the bullet, get my son my bedroom, and I will go in the front room, as in on the sofa bed. So it won't look like that I live in there or my items will be up in there. I'm still gonna use the closet and stuff for my items and stuff, but I'm gonna get my son what he want. Jam's still gonna have her room. I'm gonna just take the living room because at this point, Dre and I are definitely not getting back together. So please, let me just say this. Thank you guys for the wishes, but the prayers and everything, but this marriage is not fixable. So with that being said, y'all just keep me and my kids in your prayers. So I just said I'm gonna just bite the bullet and just give Andre the bedroom. I'm give him what he want. Of course, from time to time I'll be sleeping in there, but it's pretty much gonna be his space. I'm gonna give him his space, and I'm just gonna do some other things with all my mirror furniture and stuff towards my living room. So I'm happy that I'll be getting my dining room back and everything. So y'all just stick around to see how I pull this all together, because y'all know I could come out this hat with some type of organization, baby. Sometimes you just got to think outside the box and don't worry about what others have to say. Okay, make it comfortable for you and your family. All right, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So now that I got everything to where I want to put it at, I don't open this room up some. I'm putting his rug down, getting things in place, getting things organized and things like that. I did a lot of that stuff off camera because it was just too much. I really was just wanting to just throw everything in the garbage. But as of right now, you'll see once I show you guys pretty much in a moment what I did to all his other toys that he was able to keep. But I'm liking how they turned out though, but unfortunately it's not gonna stay like this. He's gonna get the back room, and Mama just gonna have her space in the front room. Y'all know I sacrifice to do anything for my kids, so it was no biggie about it. But I was just shocked when he announced to say, "Mama, I like my room that I do have, but I like the 4-bedroom that we was living in." And I was like, "Why, Andre?" He was like, "Because I had a door. Like, I like this area, but I want to have a room with a door." So you know what time that means. You know what that means. So I'm gonna make it happen. Mama gonna make it happen. Mama gonna take this sacrifice. Mama gonna take whatever the uncomfortableness away from my baby. So therefore we're gonna be doing some more decorating. All right, queens and kings, so this is pretty much what I have going on for his room. Obviously see somebody loving it. I did put stop that, Dre. I did put that board back there because honestly we're actually supposed to get him like a day bed. That's the reason why I put the bed like this, and that's more the reason why I want to do the changes and things like that. So, and therefore he have more room to play and everything with his toys. I did declutter a whole lot of toys. Let me show you what he have, because all this was full of toys. Big toys, little toys, tiny toys, no toys he ain't playing with, electronic stuff and all. So what I did was I utilized this, so he have like his electronic stuff in there. Here have crayons, and then here it just has some extra stuff like his little wallet and his little games that go with movies and stuff to go with his DVD player and his Nintendo Switch and his little cologne. But here it's his clothes and stuff, his underclothes and t-shirts and PJs and shorts. But some of actually have toys in here, like this one here have like bigger trucks and stuff. I couldn't get that out. This down here have his little action figures, and then this one here have like his little plush sheets and costumes and stuff, because he didn't want to get rid of some stuff, girl. I had to really pry him out of it. But over here is all his dinosaurs. This here is all pencils and markers and scissors, and this here is like the smaller little cars and things like that. So that's all the toys that he pretty much have. And over here in this corner here is basically like his big toys, like his scooter, his little Nerf gun, and racetrack this little thing, because he refused to let this go. So it's pretty much over here in the cut hiding and things like that in his book bag for school. But that's pretty much how I did that. And then I just have these little stools here from IKEA. That's pretty much he gonna have that for like a nightstand, or you want to put something on until I actually get the headboard, the day bed to actually come. See what the boy did. Those are dirty clothes that I'm finna get rid of, wash and stuff, so I can go ahead and reset his bed. But child, listen to me in the background, girl. Listen to me in the background. Get into it. But this is the stuff that came out of this room. Toys, trash, more toys. So yeah, I feel good about this here.
You showed it the stuff that I threw away.
Yeah, that's what I just showed them, all the stuff right there.
Yeah,
that right there.
Show the stuff.
I don't need to show the stuff. Everybody know what toys look like. So yeah. But yeah, so this is what we have for Andre room, and I'm so happy that I did this because I feel so good. Y'all see how that room was. It just felt like claustrophobic, and the boy won't stop. Stop that jumping, boy. Stop the jumping. Stop the jumping. Stop it. Jesus Christ. He's still jumping. But
One more time.
no. Dre supposed to get this here. What we do, we're just gonna break this down so he can put it in his car and stuff like that. But ain't gonna get those bins. Most likely probably gonna put some cover over those. Pretty much what I was gonna do, but it just became a catch-all, child. I just need this to be open because I'm over this now. I'm over this area. Matter of fact, he just said he want a room with a door on it. Baby, one of us gonna have to give the room up because this is I'm over it now. I'm over it. So that's the reason why I keep changing around. I have to keep constantly decluttering, but I feel good about this because he have more space, and that's the thing that I was trying to actually, what's the word I'm looking for? Actually accomplish. Andre DeSanto P, if you do that one more time. So that's what I was trying to accomplish, of actually having him some floor area, so therefore he can keep all his toys and everything in here, because he complained about he don't be having no room to play with his toys. So that have been accomplished. So now let's get into washing this stuff here so he can put it back on the bed. Okay.
No, not yet.
Oh yes, definitely yes.
No.
He about to be clean. The dirty stuff. Alright, so it's the next day, and I noticed that I didn't actually dust his ceiling fan. Remember I said I had to do some dusting too as well, because this thing here catch a whole lot of dust, as well as the ceilings too, up in the area where the fan, actually the blades and stuff reach out from. You'll see me tap the ceiling from here there, but it wasn't real bad as I thought it was gonna be though, and I guess because I have been upkeeping it. So yeah, just to make sure that it gets some good circulation and everything like that. So we're about to move on to the bed, and all I'm about to do is just go ahead and straighten his bed up, sanitize it and everything, and just get him back right. So if you queens and kings enjoy deep cleaning, spring cleaning, or just cleaning period, why don't you, queen or king, go ahead and subscribe if you're new here just stopping by. Hello, my name is Valerie. Over here I do all things home decor, lifestyle, as well as vlogs. So I upload twice out the week. That's every Wednesday and Sundays. Wednesdays are dedicated videos like this, and Sundays are actually vlogs or a day in the life. So if you're into content like that and want to get to know more about me and my kids, won't you, queen or king, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. So with that being said, queens and kings, I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. If you got some type of motivation, or you just like watching videos like this, you guys know what to do. And I will talk to you, queens and kings, in the next one. You all continue to be royal. And remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye.